When recurring leaks, visible mold inside a wall cavity, persistent black stains, or major movement of tile or tubs appear, call a professional instead of re-caulking yourself. Re-caulking is simple for surface gaps but stops being a safe DIY when underlying moisture or structural movement exists. If you can probe behind the bead and feel soft backing, squishy drywall, or a hollow sound, that indicates hidden water damage that needs removal and repair first. Use a sharp utility knife to remove old caulk cleanly and inspect the substrate. If you see mold or a damp, dark cavity, do not reseal, ventilate the area, dry it with a fan or dehumidifier, and arrange a professional inspection. For recurring leaks, trace plumbing lines and inspect grout and seal transitions around fixtures, because a failed liner or joint can force water into wall assemblies and cause rot. When tiles or tubs shift or grout cracks widely, that movement often means the substrate or fasteners have failed, and simple caulk will only mask the problem while damage worsens. If you choose to reseal a safe, dry joint yourself, use a mildew-resistant siliconized latex or 100% silicone, depending on the substrate. Apply painter tape to create crisp edges. Cut the nozzle to a 30-degree angle sized to the gap. Apply steady pressure and tool the bead with a wet finger or a soft caulk tool within 5 minutes for proper adhesion. Homeowners commonly underestimate hidden damage because surface dryness can be misleading. The quick check is to remove old caulk and look for staining or soft material, and call a pro if present. Another mistake is using the wrong sealant, such as water-based caulk, in constantly wet locations. Choose the correct chemistry and follow manufacturer cure times. A third issue is masking movement with caulk when the real cause is a loose fixture or failed substrate. If tiles or tubs move or grout disintegrates, you should stop and get an inspection so structural repairs can be made. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like re-caulking, repairs, and inspections, and helps folks find local professionals and learn what to expect during repairs. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share experiences, ask practical questions, and trade tips to help everyone make better decisions.